called himself Woodstick. So here is the Honda Civic Type R. I know you guys are probably thinking, where has the Honda Civic Type R been? It has been on the content for a long time, probably 6 months. So that's how long this car's been parked up. So now I'm actually going to be starting the Honda Civic Type R. You can see the state of the car, of how bad it is. Doors not even opening. Okay, look at that. Look at this. Look at the state of this. All mold and stuff going on the car. Even the steering. So yeah, literally so happy to finally get a chance to work on this car and even slowly modify the car. So as it stands in this video, I'm just gonna start the car up and see how the car runs. I know this car is due for a service. I think it should start up with flying colours. So I'm gonna, the battery is still in there. I'm gonna put a battery charger kit onto it, and let's open that up. Let's put the bonnet up. Look at that. You can see it's been parked up for a while, but here she is, K20. You can look at the leaves here. Been here for a long time. What the hell is this? Looks like droplings. Some mice, rats be living in here. Okay, so we've actually charged up the battery now with the battery charger. So we're going to install the battery right now and then start up the car. Oh, what a truth. 1 year later, car's been parked up. Let's see if the car starts up after charging the battery. So yeah, in the name of the Lord. Wow. Yes. Woo. Can't believe it started up. And then hopefully I can do the modifications on this car, like go straight to exhaust. I've actually got the exhaust ready, just need to install it onto the car and few other bits and bobs. I do want to get an induction kit. With my previous Type R, the Premier Edition, which I just sold to Fernando in Spain. Here's a video of his induction kit on Type R. Ever since I've seen that, I was like, oh man, I need to get that induction kit onto my Type R, so can't wait to get that. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is actually go for a drive, because the disc brakes are actually looking a bit rusty, and they were in good condition when it was parked up a year ago, so give this car a bit of a spin. But I just can't believe it started up, first time. So the wife's doing that. Get a bit of a gas.
Block it. No, block the hole.
So we've done a bit of research on a forum, and it comes to show that it's the idle control valve with it, which is this bit right here. So in order to clean this one and this one out, you have to take the whole throttle body out, which I've got it out from here. And this is the idle control valve. Just need to open up the star ones and then clean it out and then put it back in, and hopefully it should work then. So that's the update so far. one little thing. Should not parked it up. Should have kept it started now and again. But yeah. Okay, so we finally got the idle control valve. I opened it all up, and this is the motor. So when I first got it, it was proper stiff. I can't spin it now. Literally can't spin it. So this needs to be cleaned out. There it is. So I did clean this out with a brake cleaner. Again, the previous video, the video that I watched on YouTube recommended brake cleaner, and I'm gonna keep on scraping it with a toothbrush as well, and eventually it'll break free, and then I can spin it very easy. But still stiff, so I can't spin it. So if you can hear that. So this needs to be super clean, and then once that's all sorted, I can put it all back together. That's the idle control valve back. So yeah, so where's the, so this is it?
I put it,
yeah. Is that brake cleaner?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see, there's a brake cleaner. Oh wow. Okay, so hold on, okay, spray a little bit in there.
Huh?
Spray in.
Put it like that.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough. So again, so this is the throttle body, and this idle control valve, that's very important. So that's going to have to get put back in here, and then put on here, and then once that's free up and cleaned, put it back together, put everything back together, and it should start up and idling at temperature at 1000 RPM. So at the moment it's bouncing because the motor wasn't spinning. So we'll clean this up, and I'll show you the next clip, and once we okay. So watch this, guys. Let me get it clean, and there you go. Watch this. That's free. That is. Yeah, wow. Clean the sensor. Also clean the throttle body. It's a bit dirty, this is. So we'll clean that. Okay, start to install it back together again. Everything's going back to where it is. And after that, we'll start the car up. We're going to start the car now. Everything's put back together where it is. Let's see. Alright. Okay.